Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Capitec Topup Voucher with the app. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to use a Capitec Topup Voucher on the app, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Capitec Bank app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard. Next, tap on the Transact option located at the bottom of the screen. This section contains different payment and purchase options. After that, scroll down until you see Buy Vouchers. Then tap on it. Inside this section, tap History at the top of the screen to view the vouchers you have already purchased. Now, select the Capitec Topup Voucher that you want to use. Once you open it, you'll see the voucher PIN along with other voucher details. A Capitec Topup Voucher is a single-use prepaid voucher that allows you to add airtime to supported mobile networks, such as MTN, Vodacom, Telcom, or Cell C. To use the voucher, open your phone's dial pad and enter the Recharge USSD code for your mobile network. When prompted, type in the voucher PIN shown in the app. Depending on your mobile network, you may also have the option to enter the voucher PIN directly through the network's mobile app or website when topping up. Once the PIN is successfully entered, the airtime will be added to your mobile number immediately. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Capitec Topup Voucher with the app. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.